The CR download file type isn't actually a file yet. It's a placeholder for a download that Chrome hasn't finished. You can't just double-click it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is how to force the browser to resume the download so you get the real file. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest CR download cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A CR download file is a partially downloaded file created by the Chrome browser or other Chromium-based browsers. The user's internal database indicates a dual association with resume and fix. This suggests the file is used for resuming interrupted downloads and potentially fixing corrupted or incomplete downloads. It remains until the download is complete or manually removed. The CR download file acts as a temporary container storing downloaded data sequentially. Upon completion, the browser renames the file to its intended extension. If a download is interrupted, the CR download file allows the browser to resume from the point of interruption, minimizing data loss. The fix association suggests potential error checking or repair mechanisms during the resume process. The most common market-leading program for CR download is Google Chrome from Google. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows and maintenance utilities may safely delete temporary files when appropriate. To open this specific download file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Google Chrome is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If you still can't open the CR download file, it's okay. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the CR download file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, Resume Download. Check the Chrome Downloads Manager, Carl Psare, and click Resume to continue the interrupted download until the file is complete. Next, Re-download file. If the download cannot be resumed, find the original URL and re-download the file entirely from a reliable source. Finally, Rename and Play. For continuous files, audio-video, rename the file by removing the .cr download extension and try opening it with a robust player like VLC. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.